This table would help you choose which pass to go with because it clearly shows the numbers and when to buy which pass. At 5 days, daily is still the better value than flex. At 6, flex is the better value. Then at 12, season becomes the better value over flex. The line for the season pass or the annual pass would be a horizontal line at 842. It wouldn't go up or down. This graph shows when the passes are equal. Also, it shows you which one to get depending on how much skiing you think you'll do. If you're going to do 5 days or less, you should pick the daily pass. If you're going to do 6 to 12 days, you should pick the flex pass. And if you're going to do 13 or more, pick the season pass. These are because the prices vary, and when you want to change the amount of days, it also varies the amount of money it costs. X in the ordered pair shows how many days it takes for the passes to be the same. On 5.5 days, it costs the same for a flex pass and a daily pass. Also, on 12.6 days, it costs the same for a flex pass and a season pass. But anytime after those numbers, the flex pass would be better after 5.5, and the season pass would be better than 12.6. The graph and table show which day each pass will be cheaper than the other. The substitution shows when during the days the pass becomes cheaper than the others. In the end, they just show which pass to buy for the amount of days you think you will ski. Also, all three of these just show which pass you should do for your best value in your money, so you can get the best value. It shows here 5 days. It shows daily is the best value. Then here it shows at 5 days, daily is still the best value. And then they'll intersect, and it shows flex becomes better value, and then up here, season is the best value. You would choose the daily pass if you were going to ski 5 days or less. You would choose the season pass if you skied 13 days or more. These solutions are supported by the graph because for this first one here, it shows that at 5.5 days, that being 5, that being 5.5, at 5 days, the flex pass goes past the daily pass, like that. It crosses over and it becomes better. And then also it supports this because at 12 days, it shows that this one is about to be over the season pass. My graph supports what my substitution shows is because at 5 days, like here, flex becomes the better package than daily, and at 12 days, flex becomes worse than season, and season becomes better than flex. All three of these, the table, graph, and substitution, bring you to the same conclusion that at 5 days, the daily pass is the best. At 12 days, the flex is the best. And anything after 12, the season pass is the best. I find the table the most helpful because you can see all the numbers and you don't have to estimate like you do in the graph. Also, I like the table because the numbers are just written out, but in substitution, they aren't. They give you a number, and you wouldn't really know these unless you had a graph to see what days these would work. I would choose the daily pass because I don't normally ski, and I most likely wouldn't ski more than 2 or 3 times.